die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my sexy mates of YouTube, and a happy Halloween to everyone here. It's my favorite time of the year. Spooky season is upon us. So in today's video, I will be talking about 3 scents that really evoke that atmospheric sort of Halloween vibe. So I've got 2 men's scents and 1 women's scent here, and I'm going to start off with a women's scent first. And that is, yes, Seductive Noir for her. You can pick this one up here in Australia for under $30 on special at Priceline, and at that price it is an absolute steal. Hell, I've even seen these as low as $20 at Chemist Warehouse. So I'll just show you the bottle again. And what you'll find with these is that it smells incredible. I will be spraying this one on my hand. It's almost got like a grape quality to it, it reminds me of grape a little bit, but it's also got this really delicious tobacco note, and it's got wood and vanilla as well. Look, it's a women's scent, and obviously, if you're a guy, you're probably not going to be putting this on your radar, but I really want you to go out there and maybe try this one on a tester strip. There is absolutely no shame in wearing women's perfume as a bloke. This smells absolutely fantastic, and for under $30, it's really quite nice. Like, try it. Just seriously, go out there and try it. You're going to be impressed with this one. And I will be putting in more women's fragrances in these videos going forwards, just because I do have quite a few women that actually watch these videos. And as somebody that actually wears women's perfume, a lot of the time, it feels disingenuous to only focus on men's fragrances and perfumes. So yeah, guess Seductive Noir. This one's fantastic. It's almost a little nostalgic for me as well, for reasons I won't go into. But yeah, this one smells quite nice, and for under $30 you can do a hell of a lot worse. Next up is something decidedly more spooky, and that is Gucci Guilty Absolute. I did a video on this one only a few days ago, and it really is the ultimate goth fragrance. It smells like damp, decaying leather and soil. This one's incredible. It's the longest lasting fragrance I've ever tried. I really like the color of it. I won't be spraying this one on my hands because it's only just now starting to come off, and that's after multiple showers as well. Yeah, this one has such a realistic, dense leather note. This one is very powerful, very potent. You only need 1 spray and it is nuclear. It's monstrous, it's beast-worthy, whatever other fragrance community buzzwords you want to throw at it. Definitely check this one out if you want to try something that's very performative. You can still pick this one up on eBay here in Australia for well under $100 for 90 ml. And at that price, I reckon it's a steal considering it's one of the most nuclear scents on the market. And lastly, in a similar sort of vein to Gucci Guilty Absolute, we've got Johnny V Dark Rebel Rider. This is a less dirty scent than Gucci Guilty Absolute, but it's still a very prominent leather scent. Awesome design here. This one really features leather, amber, and some smoky nuances as well. It smells absolutely divine. Performance is disappointing. For something that smells so dense like this, and for something that projects so well initially, it really just doesn't perform too good. We're talking about 7 hours, absolute tippy top here. But I still think if you can get this for a good price, say under $65 Australian, it's going to be well worth picking up, just because it really gives you that dark, leather, rebellious sort of vibe to it. And that's what I love about all these 3 scents, is that they give you that slightly darker nighttime vibe. Guess Seductive Noir for her. It does have that sweetness and it does have that vanilla note, but yeah, it's still very appropriate for the Halloween spooky season. Same with Dark Rebel Rider. So yeah, this Halloween season, if you plan on buying a fragrance specifically for the occasion, consider any of these 3. They're well worth picking up, and I hope you guys have a fantastic Halloween, have a fantastic spooky season, have a cocktail for me, and until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.